Hey, and welcome back to another week of the FOGO Life. We got something really cool for you in store this week. So we've been grilling a lot of meats on the grill, but this week I've got my good friend Shannon here.
Hello.
On Instagram, she's Big Green Egg Foodie. Look her up. She's going to cook us a couple of vegetarian meals, okay? So we got a couple of cool things planned. This first one we're going to do is Buffalo Cauliflower Tacos. She says it's great. It sounds good to me. I like buffalo sauce and I like cauliflower and I love tacos. So tell us about what you're going to do for us here today.
So you pretty much summed it up. We are going to dice up the cauliflower, grill it on the Big Green Egg over here using my favorite perforated pan. Once the grilling of the cauliflower is done, yep, that's the one. Love it. We are going to have a buffalo sriracha sauce that we're going to also cook on the egg. Toss the cauliflower into that and then assemble some tacos using, what do you need with buffalo? Some blue cheese, tortillas, and a few other toppings.
Nice.
So.
Cool. Excellent. Well, I think we should get started. So why don't we go ahead and put some charcoal in this baby and get lit up. All right, so we're going to use our blazer ball to get our fire started. So we take it, put our FOGO starters in here, and let's see if I can do this. Voila. Right down in the coat. All right, so Shannon, we've got our grill lit here.
Yep.
Okay, so we got to do some prep, right? So tell us about what we're going to do with the cauliflower.
So I'm going to start out with my favorite utility knife from Bokashi Steel. I'm going to dice up the cauliflower into small pieces. I would say probably about the size of a quarter because you want them to be small enough when they're on the taco that you can kind of spread them out.
One big chunk of cauliflower.
Right. So yeah, so I'm going to dice those up and go ahead and get those put on the grill.
Great. I'll chop some cilantro and garlic, right?
Yeah.
You said 2 cloves of garlic, so I have 5 small ones because let's face it, if the recipe is how to cook 1 clove of garlic, I like to use 2 or 3. So
I am totally down with that.
awesome. Let's get to work.
All right, sounds good. So I've diced up the cauliflower into what I would consider bite-sized pieces. This is probably about 2/3 of that head, just because of the amount of space that we have on the egg to cook. So I'm going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on it.
Is that what you usually use, olive oil, yeah?
Yeah.
Good.
So
Nice high smoke point.
toss it around a little bit, get it a little bit covered, and then
I know the next step.
yes, this is one of my favorite Big Green Egg pans. So the perforated half moon pan. Go ahead and put your cauliflower on that.
Nice.
And then we're gonna go ahead and put that on the egg, and we've got raised direct heat going on. Don't want a big flame because we don't want to burn it, but we definitely want to get some nice char going on there.
Sure.
So we got that going on.
Okay.
Then
Good.
we can.
We're going to close this and cook it with this closed?
Yeah, go ahead and close that now, but let's go ahead and we'll get our sauce started, and then we can put our sauce to cook and heat up.
How's this?
Wow, that's exactly
It's like
what I
magic.
needed.
It's like magic.
It's almost like you read my mind.
Yes.
So we'll get the sauce started to put it on there. So you're right. Sriracha, we're going to do probably about maybe a half a cup in there. I don't know.
I'm going to let you do it. You're the sauce boss.
All right.
Let's shake it.
No, I'm like,
Shake
really
it up.
Okay, we're going to just do it this way.
We're going to eyeball it. About a half a cup. Do you always use sriracha or do you use other kind of hot sauce too?
I like the sriracha. This is what I've always used and I love it, so I'm not going to really change that.
Cool.
So we got that.
Okay.
Let's throw in these 2 cloves of garlic that you have going on here. So,
okay.
Garlic, and then we need some butter because butter makes everything
better.
Yeah. So I'm going to say about 2 tablespoons.
Okay.
Throw that in there. Throw it on here. We'll go ahead and let that get heated up along with the cauliflower.
Nice.
So
cool.
Now you sit back, relax, and
excellent. Cool.
Wait.
So tell me this. How did you get into grilling? How did you get into the Big Green Egg? How did you get into everything here?
Well, in our town, we have a Big Green Egg Fest put on by Ace Hardware.
Yeah.
And I was asked, or they were reaching out to people looking for people to cook at the Egg Fest.
Okay.
I half jokingly, I love to cook, said I would be willing to cook at the Egg Fest, but only if I could cook vegetarian food.
Fair enough.
And someone who was running the program said, we'd love it. We'd love to have you come bring a different, what's the word?
A different flair to it or something like that. Yeah.
So my very first time of ever really cooking on a grill, other than probably cooking hot dogs when I was 20 years ago, was at Egg Fest. So that was kind of trial by fire.
Now, if I might cut in, I happened to be there, and you sort of did cook hot dogs that day.
I
Sort of,
did.
kind of.
Yes.
Tell us what you cooked.
So one of the entrees that I had cooked was miniature carrot hot dogs with a vegan chili and vegan cheese sauce on top of them.
So to give you an idea, okay, I'm walking around this Egg Fest. It's over what, Fort Myers?
Bonita Springs.
Bonita Springs, okay. So I'm walking around there, and we were just tasting all the food and everything like that. And we tasted it, I'm like, it tastes weird, but it's really good, you know? So we met, and then I tasted it again. I was like, man, that is good. So we went about it again. I came back, and I said, I have to try this again. I can't believe that I actually enjoyed this much, and we came back. And that was amazing, because that was the first time that you ever cooked on an egg, if I'm correct, right?
It was, yes. I started out the day a little bit intimidated, not knowing what I was getting into. By the end of the day, I was 100%, probably more, completely hooked on Big Green Egg cooking. And now
I know how that
a year and
goes.
a half later, 3 eggs, and I'm here hanging out with
a year and a
this
half
guy.
later, look at you. You're an Instagram star. You cook on Big Green Eggs Ambassador team with me,
Yeah,
right? On
I
BGE
do.
Team Green. Unbelievable, you know? So the love of food brings people together. So let's wait while this cooks up here, and we'll be right back. All right, so we've been going here for about 20 minutes or so, letting this cauliflower cook. We've mixed it a couple times during it. Oh yeah, look at that, that's
Look
nice.
at the nice little char bits
Beautiful
on there.
little, I don't know if you can see
Gorgeous.
that. How nice does that look, huh?
That's
Beautiful.
exactly how we want it to look.
Beautiful. All right, so we're gonna put this in our bowl.
Go ahead and dump it on in.
Okay. I'm following directions.
You're doing good so
Okay.
far.
So now our sauce, so what do we do with this? We just pour it right on, or
Yep. So I would say
should we stir it?
let's do,
It's thick.
yeah.
Really
It's
thick it up.
wow. It smells awesome.
smells
Smell
good.
that. Yeah. So I would do not quite all of it. Let's see how much 2/3 of it does. Awesome. We may actually need a little more. So
Oh, look at you! Got the bowl action going.
right.
Nice.
See if I can wear some of this.
It
So
smells so good.
you know what I think? Go ahead. Let's pour the rest on.
It really thickened up in there.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah.
Wow.
Woo! That smells good.
Loving it.
I want to try. Can I try? I want to try.
Are you gonna do bigger?
No. No way. I want to look bad here. Cool.
Those look phenomenal. All right.
They look great.
So now that you're done having fun, let's go ahead, grab that
I'm
one.
like a big kid.
Let's go ahead, we'll throw these back on. We're only gonna leave them this time for probably about 5 minutes or so. We just really wanna kinda get the grill to char up that sauce a little bit, thicken it up. Those are gonna be ready to go. Not
Nice.
a few minutes longer and
Woo.
we're done.
That sriracha's really getting me, man. That's
wow.
nice.
It
Very
does
nice.
smell good.
All right, let's see what we've got here. Oh yeah. Oh my God, that smell is just awesome.
Wow.
That really
Oh.
is. That's beautiful. Oh wow. That hot
Is the
sauce is
heat?
something else.
Oh my God.
So I'm gonna. Let's throw a couple tortillas on to heat up here.
Yeah.
Wow, they smell unbelievable. They really smell good.
Wow.
Woo! It smells hot. It's. I can feel it in my throat.
Me too.
It's crazy.
But I'm like,
Look at the nice
dying.
char on them though. Yeah, that's beautiful. They got a really you can tell it kind of caramelized it on there
Yeah.
nicely. Oh yeah. This is going to be so
I'm
good.
so ready for that.
I know. I'm excited. You know what? I think these are heated enough. What do you think?
I think so.
I think so too. All right, let's go here. Well, let's put together
right.
some tacos.
All right, so the way I would do these,
Mhm.
and then you can throw in your 2 cents,
Okay.
and I might listen to it maybe.
Maybe.
All
I
right,
doubt it.
so throw some of these the cauliflower on the shells.
Okay. Nice.
Nice big one there. All right, how about you want to throw in some of those
Pickled
pickled
onions.
onions? Those look
Okay.
terrific.
Yeah. Pickled these myself this morning, by the way. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Those look good.
There's no end to my talent, Shannon.
I know. I'm never cease to be amazed by you, Ron.
Yeah, me too.
All right, and since we're going with the buffalo theme,
Yep.
I think we should go. We've got the blue cheese here,
Nice.
so let's do some crumbled blue cheese on these.
You're speaking my language.
All right.
Blue cheese is my spirit animal.
Well, good.
I don't even know what that means, but I think it is.
All right.
Looking good.
And we didn't get more. Is this one yours?
Yeah.
All right, there you go. We got a little bit of carrot. We really just need
Oh yeah.
little
Hey, you
bit.
know what? Carrots. I like that idea. I'm gonna put a little on mine because when I eat buffalo wings and stuff, I always get it with blue cheese and just carrots and celery. So perfect.
Yes.
Oh,
All
they look
right.
beautiful.
I think the last thing we really need,
Some cilantro. Ooh,
love some cilantro.
it just gets better.
Go for it.
Okay, I will.
I got this one here.
Oh, sorry. She's making me do my own work now. She's not very nice.
I don't know if you
is she?
wanted my fingers in your taco. I
Hey,
did wash
you did,
it.
you're ready to put the blue cheese. That's good.
All right.
All right, awesome. All right, well, I'll tell you what, Shannon. These look and smell incredible. I think
They
you've done a
do.
really nice job here. Can we finally bite and dig into it now?
Let's do it.
All right.
That heat from the sriracha.
And with that garlic,
Extra garlic.
there's no such thing as extra garlic. It's just the right amount.
It was perfect. Ooh, those are nice.
Oh, that is good. Oh, that heat's creeping up on me, though.
I
so
gotta try
tasty.
it one more time.
Yeah, I don't blame you. I don't blame you. That pickled onion on there is a really nice touch. Really nice touch. But the char on the cauliflower really, really, really makes it nice. You did a really nice job with this. I'm impressed. My first cauliflower taco ever. Can't believe it. It's so
Awesome.
good. Really good. On a nice tortilla like this, I'll tell you what, I could have this anytime. This was a really fun cook. Something totally different for us. I really enjoyed it.
Me too.
I want to thank you so much for coming out and doing this with us. This
Thanks
is really
for having
great.
me.
You know?
I
and,
loved it.
Vegetarian stuff is not my forte, but I could eat that. Any Taco Tuesday, I'll take that. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday,
should be taco
Sunday.
every day.
I'm
Exactly.
with you. I'm with you. So, I want to thank you again. Like I said, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Hit like, ring the bell, get notifications. All right. We will really appreciate you tuning in and watching. I hope that you've enjoyed this. Try it out. You'll be really happy. It's spicy. Okay. And if you're not sure, I don't know if I want to try it, just give it a whirl. I promise you, it won't kill you, okay? I think it's delicious. She thinks it's delicious. So thanks again for coming out, and tune in again for the next episode of the FOGO Life.